This map we have discussed already. So this is our unconformity plane. You please use different other Stedler color to mark the unconformity. The interesting thing is that if you see my section line, you can see that this section line doesn't intersect with all the beds. These kind of problems are there, and that's why today I am doing this exercise for the projection of the beds. I'll project these two beds because my section line doesn't intersect with these two beds. So the profile drawing, I don't have to say anything. So in this case, what I'm doing first, the beds which I can say along my section line, I take them first. So this is my first bed, I can say along my section line, and this is my second bed. Okay. So what I'm doing first, I'm just putting there 1 and 2. So this is my first bed, and please use your scale and everything. I'm doing manually. Okay, so these two beds I have received, this one and this one. So you can see these first two are the horizontal beds. So for horizontal bed drawing, what I have to do, I don't need any strike line or anything, just use your set square. These are my two beds points, this one and this one, mark them. Use your set square, create a horizontal plane. I'm creating a horizontal plane. How does it look like? It looks like that. I have told you that you don't require any strike line. So first one I'm cutting here, and then I move little lower part, and then I get the intersecting point for this one. So my second bed comes like this. So I complete the first two. First two means this two. Then you add your, if you want to add the symbol now, you can do it, or else you can do later. Taken two strike lines. Strike line part how to draw I'll not discuss. You know how to draw the strike line. So I'm taking two strike line. Okay, but my this two bed actually doesn't intersect with my section line. Now I'm doing the projection part. To see very like this part is very important. So kindly see it attentively. So I'm just putting my section line, my strip along my section line. I can't get my bed over my section line, but I just project it. Just you move here. If you put it along this bed, just along this bed, you have to put your set square or your scale, whatever, and just mark them over your beds. This one is first, and then for this one, second one is this one, this bedding plane. So I'm just taking the point. Okay, so it cuts if I take a straight line. Like I'm just making along this one, any two sides, not this sides, only you can consider these sides. So along this line I'm taking this part, and this along this bedding plane side I'm taking this one. If I make a straight line along this intersecting point, I get this line over my profile. So what I have to do, I just have to mark them over my profile. Just place them here. Now I have to mark them. So the marking one will come like, it is come like this. Just you make a mark. 1, 2, fine. No problem, you don't have to be worried. So I just mark this two projected bed. Two projected bed, this is PB, means projected bed. Okay, I mark it over my strike line. Fine. Now what I have to do, I have already taken the strike line, two sets of strike, one set of strike line, two strike line. So I have to take the strike line over my profile. So my first strike line point is coming here, and its value is 400, and this second strike line value is 300. The same way you have taken. So now I have to place them. Just place them here. Then I get 400. So this is my 400 line, my strike line 1 and strike line 2. So I have to take 400 from here. So my 400 points will come. Please always I say that you kindly use your scale and use your protector to take the perpendicular line. So 400 comes like this, and then my second point comes here, and the third 0.3, because 300 feet is the value. So this one will be 300. Fine. So this is my two strike line point for the projected bed. Okay. So what I am supposed to do? So these are my two strike line point I have taken for the inclination. So you know how to draw the beds. I have to place them along this. So this one is my strike line points. Yeah, so along the strike line I get the inclination point. Now you just my two new strike line, you just see the projected bed cutting point is here. So I, for understanding, I'm just making it PB, and then another one is also there. Which one is this one? PB. Okay, this one and this one. Over my profile I got it, no problem. So I have to get the inclination. The inclination comes like this. Then what I am supposed to do, you can't draw from here because this is an imposition. So this is actually I can't see. So what I'm doing, you can see now, this is my intersecting cutting point. Over my profile it's come here. So I just need to draw the line. I have to place my set square like this, but while I'm joining the line, I'll just move till this one. Just below the horizontal plane I'll move. I'll not take my line till this place. Now for the second one, second line point comes here, but again this time what I have to, I'm supposed to do, just a minute, PB, and this one is my second line. Okay, so my second line comes like this. Again I'll take the line, but I'll go below the horizontal plane. My two strike like two beds actually comes below the horizontal plane. Okay, because this is imposition, I can't see it. If you move along the profile, it is not there, it is below the horizontal plane. So what I'm doing, just see that are the 2 points, but I'll not increase, like take my points, like I'll not expand the line till the cutting point. I'll just end below the horizontal bed, and the same thing for the second one also. Below the horizontal bed I just end up, and then you put the symbols, and in this way the projection part will be done. So this is the my first horizontal plane, this one. If you move along the section line, then my second one comes a single dot, so you put a single dot. Then you can see this one. So this one I just write it down here. So these are my 3 dots, big 3 dots. Just do it. And then these are the imposition. These are actually the imposition on the 2 sides. So the first one comes, like if I see this one comes first and this one comes in. So this one I can see like what I said, along the profile I can see it. So actually here I need some manipulation, because I don't use the what I said. If you do the perfect profile, then there will be no problem. You can easily identify the distance or the divisions between the lines. But as I am not using the protector and other thing for the drawing, so okay, just give me 1 minute. Yes, okay, so you can see that that's the end of my horizontal plane. And then what is seen, when I got sorry, I have done a mistake. This one is not a this one, sorry, this one is the imposition part. This one actually this one, yes, this one is the third one. Okay, this one I can see because it's follow the same strike line, and this one are the 2 imposition. So the first one which I could see, just below this one will be the dot, Course dot actually, and this one will be the Spears dot. Okay, so just see, if you move along the profile, first you see small 3 dots, then you see the dot, then next one, just after this one I can see this one is also is uniclinal. 3 beds under uniclinal, 2 under horizontal. So this one I put the uniclinal. Then these are the 2 impositions. You can see this is not seen along your section line. So the first one you can see, if you move like this way, then this one comes first, then the codes like pairs dot will come then, and then we have a no, the scores dot will come next, like this one is this one. I said long in before, like the last one. So this codes dot comes like this, because it is just under the unconformity, and you can see this is my unconformity. You have to make it with a, you know, this kind of wave kind of things you have to make along the unconformity line, and just below the unconformity you can see this codes dot structure, and then you have this pairs dot. So this one, if I write B, this one is this one, and if I write it A, this one is this one. Okay, that's all.